Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how I make roasted vegetables. They are super easy to prepare, are perfect for meal prep, and they taste amazing. I'm using root vegetables for this recipe, but feel free to add any other vegetable you like. I've already peeled and washed the vegetables, so I go ahead and cut them into cubes. Cut them in a uniform size so that they can cook at the same rate. As I'm doing this, I preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Once I'm done cutting the vegetables, I place them in a large bowl and season them. I'm using smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, mixed herbs, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, and extra virgin olive oil. All the quantities are listed in the description box down below. I oil a baking dish and pour in the vegetables. I spread it out evenly and pop it into the oven for 15 minutes. I stir this and pop them back in for 10 minutes or until they are done to my liking. Our baked vegetables are now ready and the kitchen smells amazing. Serve them with your preferred accompaniment. They're perfect for meal prep and go well with grilled or fried meats. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for simple recipes. Thanks for watching and bye for now. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.